Yeah, it's ripping. You think it's getting blasted?
No. It looks great.
I'm not sure. I don't see the motion on the backside that I want to see. Maybe that's multivort under there? It's gonna go behind the trees.
Where's that again? Like 2 miles.
To the north?
Yeah.
We might be under it though.
How could be under them far south?
We'd rather be under it than deal with trees. Do we have an east option?
Yeah.
Like north and east?
Yeah.
Yeah. Not great terrain, but terrain.
We're gonna go. It's gotta be now, Sam.
Yeah, let's go. Got it.
Come on, fully convinced, fully convinced.
No, it's not going to. There's gonna be vortices under there. Oh, it's trying to condense. Look, there's it focused in the middle. Is this our east option?
We can go one further if we really want to.
How aggressive you want to be?
I kind of want to be aggressive.
Let's go.
All right, cool. Stop sign. Not clear left. Actually, you know what?
Clear
Yes,
right.
I am clear left.
We're gonna have visibility up in here.
We'll be in the trees for like 0.5 seconds.
Okay.
And if anything, we can just follow from behind if we need to.
Yeah.
There is another east option up here we can take for the trees. Oh, that's torque. That's
Oh yeah. Condensing right there. Oh, it's coming down.
Hold on, be quiet for a second. Ryan, we can confirm ground debris on this tornado up here.
Oh, we're gonna be right up on this. Yes. We'll lose visibility for a second.
Yep, there it is.
Yep.
Ground debris.
All right, we can stop right here and watch it for a minute. Our east road's right there too. This whole thing is rotating. It's just one giant mezzo.
Are we NWS St. Louis here?
I'm not sure. I have no idea.
Yep.
Oh, look at the motion. That whole thing is one big tornado, dude. What we saw is just a portion of it.
Okay, we're gonna go east here.
Okay. Yeah, look at all the motion. It's definitely still ongoing. That whole thing is on the ground, dude. Yeah, that's large. You might be able to go another one, but we're gonna be really, really, really close to this. Just be careful, because I think that whole front edge is it. Bump. Wow, the motion everywhere. That's it right in front of us. It's over the road. It's clear skies on the left, man. That's so cool. Can I get wipers, please? Thank you. We probably need to go east here so we don't lose visibility.
Yep. Starting to rain.
Yep. Your drink is in my shot. Okay. Quick Trip's gonna get some free advertising if I upload this.
I feel like I'm gonna throw up. I don't know why. My headache is just so.
It's getting really bad.
Yeah, like really, really bad.
I don't know if that's still ongoing or not. It's kind of hard to tell. No clear occlusion. Do you need me to take over, or do you think that'll make it worse?
I don't know, honestly. I'm hoping those meds kick in soon.
I don't think it's ongoing anymore. Yeah, no, it's lifted. Does not look ongoing anymore.
No, definitely not.
Still left a rapidly rotating wall cloud. That whole thing's still spinning pretty good. I don't see a new cycle. This could be failed occlusion.